Hello everyone. So this is second video on our channel, and in this video I'm going to cover a very basic about testing, because there are many people out there who don't know what is testing. Before joining the organization, I myself didn't know what is testing. That like testing field exists in a market. So after joining the organization, I get to know that yeah, there is one position called a software tester. So this video I'm making for the people who don't know what is software tester's job, or what software testing means, or what software testers do in their jobs. Okay, so we'll go to from basic to advanced in later videos, but in this video I'm going to just explain what is my job. I'm targeting myself here, means what I do. So when we talk about testing, testing is day-to-day life work. You do testing in every day. When you go to market to buy anything, you do testing of that product. Suppose I'm going to market and I'm buying one pen. So before buying that pen, I will not just blindly buy that pen. I will do testing on that pen. What I will do, I will check if that pen is satisfying my requirement. What is requirement? I should be, before buying pen, I should have something in mind that that pen should look good. That pen should have metal body, or that pen should write like a black, red, blue, any color. How long that pen I want should, means how long should be that pen's life, and it is a smooth or not, that pen is damaged or it is a complete new pen. So, I will do testing on that pen. Then only once it satisfy all my requirements and I'm happy with all my requirements, then only I will proceed with buying of that pen. This is our about day-to-day life testing. So software testing is nothing different than this. Means before buying a software, or before means there are customers who are buying our software. Means developer is developing software and customer is buying software. So customer will not buy the software without testing it. So it should check the it is their software is satisfying all his requirements, because he have given some requirements to the developer, like he what color he want in the software, what functionality that software should perform, what are the forms in the software should available. And once that all requirements are matched with the software, then only customer will buy the software. But customer can't test the software himself, or he asks the developer like, yeah, you have tested the software. Developer obviously will to sell the software, developer will tell, yeah, it is working fine as expected. So customer can't just trust the developer. So in between customer and developer, there is one term come testing, means software tester, which is VR. Like me, what I will do, I will take requirements from customer, I will take software from developer, and I will compare. Yeah, this customer requirement are matching with the uh, do- product which the product which developer have developed. Once I will check the all requirements are available in the developed software and it is working fine, then only I will tell customer, yeah, this software is testing or tested fine and it is working as per your requirements. And if I found anything like, if some requirements are missing and some colors are mismatching, or some functionality is not giving output as expected from client, then I will tell developer, yeah, you did this functionality wrong, or your software is not performing this functionality. So the software will again go to the developer, and what developer will do, developer will fix that functionality or color or requirement, whatever I have told to developer, the developer will fix that, and it will again come back to me for testing. Then again I will I already have the requirements from the customer, so I will again compare this requirement with the developed software. And once all requirements satisfied, I am happy with the testing, then I will tell customer, yeah, your product is working fine as expected, you can buy this product. Then only customer will take that product. So when I'm saying about the testing is how I am testing the software. So there are two ways to test the software: manual testing or automation testing. So in manual testing itself, the word itself tells the manual testing. Like in this image, you are seeing the people are finding the bugs and catching the bugs, and all the peoples are working and catching these bugs. So they are doing the manual work. All this manual work means, if I get a software to test, I will go open that software. I will check the requirements from the sheet I have prepared of the requirement, and I will compare the software by my eyes. And I'm testing a audio by my ears. I mean, as a human, I'm testing a software, and I'm matching the requirements with the software. I hope you are getting my point. I'm doing this all manually. I'm physically sitting here in front of software, and I'm doing all this testing. So as example, I will tell you. Suppose I have mapped some requirements and noted down them in one Excel sheet like this. So this is my Excel. This is very basic. If you want to know how to write efficient test cases, how to find the test scenarios, I will explain in a later video. You have to do your queries. You have to submit your queries in the comments. So let's talk about the sheet I have prepared here. So here I have prepared this test name, expected result, and actual result when I'm going to test the result. So what my test says, open automation practice URL, and what is expected result, the site should open. So I will go to, and when I'm typing this URL, suppose I have typed this URL, I press enter. Yeah, like this my site is open. What I did, I typed the URL manually. I opened the browser, typed URL manually, and I checked the site is open. All I first did to test this test case are manual. So let's go to the second requirement. What it says, check call us message. Call us message should look like this. So this my test case is passed. So I will mark it pass. What I'm doing is manual, as I'm typing by myself. So just check call us now, and this 01 this, and I will just match with this. Yeah, it is matching, it is as expected. So our this test case also pass. Let's go to the third test case. What it says, check categories under woman. What expected result is top and races. So when I go to this and I find woman and the categories are top and races, so my this requirement is satisfied. So my this test case also passed. That means our software, whatever we have prepared, or whatever website we have prepared, it is working as expected the customers requirement. So we can give customer this URL. Yeah, your URL is tested and it is working all, matching all your requirements, and you can publish this in a market. So customer will be happy. Yeah, it is tested well, so there is no bugs or any doubts, so he can go live. So what we have just did is a manual testing. What all process we have did is manual. So why go to automation testing? What is the problem in automation manual testing? So problem in manual testing is it is a very time taking process. Like suppose I have to re-perform this same test cases again in the next month, because there is some changes in that site, or that site was down for a week, and I have to again retest all the test cases. So what I have to do, and again I have to go to that URL, open that URL again. I have to match the requirements with the expected result, and I have to check, yeah, it is working fine. Then I have to again mark pass. Then I have to tell customer, yeah, it is working fine. So it is a very long process. Here we are only talking about 3 test cases. Suppose there are thousands of test cases, so it is not possible to do all the 1,000 tests every month. People will get bored obviously, because they are working this on same tests in every month. So that's why we need to switch to automation testing. So what is automation testing? The automation itself says the automatic means all the process of what we have just done, it will go automatically. Means when I'm doing automation testing, my automation testing should do what it should do. It will go to this Excel sheet. It will read the requirements. It should read the expected result. It should automatically open this URL. It should automatically read this it should automatically read this message. It should automatically read this columns. It should automatically check this web page, and if it is all looking as expected, then it should automatically go to the Excel sheet, and it should automatically, let's focus on how many times I'm repeating this automatic word, should do all automatically. And when it is doing automatically, obviously I'm writing some code. So when I'm saying I'm writing some code, that means it can be any programming language: Python, Java, CPP, C sharp, whatever programming language you choose. But you write a such code that code is responsible for opening the browser, opening the Excel sheet, reading Excel sheet, reading expected result, going to the browser again, checking the browser web page, taking the text from the web page, comparing it with the expected result, and marking it a pass or fail. If a test the expected result is not matching with the web page we have just seen, then it should mark as a fail, and all this process should do automatically, and my code should do this automatically. So you can see here automation is a fast, reliable, reusable. Obviously manual testing, if I'm doing that manually, it is taking me 5 minutes for one test case. Automation will do that in like 20 seconds. So in 5 minutes you can imagine I can perform hundreds of test cases in 5 minutes. That is the difference between manual testing and automation testing. It is reusable. Like we said, I have to perform the same tests in every month. So it is not like I have to open the web browser in every month and test manually. I have to do, I have to set up one program which will run these test cases automatically every month, and automatically stores the result in Excel sheet. And when I open that Excel sheet, it will show me, yeah, on this date this test case has failed, on this date this test case has passed. So this all processes are automatic. So we'll learn about automation and manual both. You have to tell me from where I have to go. You want to know more about manual testing or automation testing first? So in this which you are saying all testing tools. So like Selenium, maybe you have heard or you don't know anything about the Selenium or APM, what is Cucumber, Apache JMeter. These all are testing tools. Means using these tools we can write a such program that is responsible for automation testing. Means task we are doing manual, it will automatically do for us. But for this we have to take help of these tools. So I hope you now got the idea what is testing, what is manual testing, what is automation testing. If you still have any doubts, please feel free to comment. I will answer your queries in next video, or in I will try to reply in the comments. And in next video I'm planning to start the automation testing scenarios. Means I will go take you through the all from basic to the framework creation and automation testing. Till then, see you.